अगर मुझे देना है तो आई थिंक फरहान अख्तर को दूंगी मैं। खेले कहा जाए तो आई विल गिव इट टू द सुपर हीरो ऑफ बॉलीवुड, आवर ओन वेरी ओन क्रिश, तो उनको ही देना चाहेंगे। रणबीर कपूर। ऋतिक रोशन taking it.
Well, if you're wondering as to why are these beautiful ladies going gaga over the men in Bollywood, then let's get the cat out of the bag. ये सारी gorgeous ladies यहाँ बता रही थी कि उनके हिसाब से कौन है Man of the Year. Well, हमें यहाँ काफी नाम मिले, लेकिन उनमें एक बात रही common, that these girls very intelligently took the names of their respective co-stars.
फरहान अख्तर, our own very own Krish, रणबीर कपूर, ऋतिक रोशन taking it.
लेकिन यहाँ दो ऐसी भी एक्ट्रेसेस थीं जिन्होंने चूज किया रणबीर कपूर को, और ताज्जुब की बात यह है that these ladies are extremely close to Salman Khan.
Because I think right now he's just everybody's heartthrob. He's like the new flavor of the season.
मेरे लिए the eternal man of the year सलमान खान, but I think रणबीर कपूर deserves it.
खैर गॉसिप तो हो गई, लेकिन अब आपको दिखाते हैं इस इवेंट का sizzling hot red carpet coverage भी. Dazzling in a copper shimmer animal print gown was Sonam Kapoor, जिन्हें हम देंगे a ho-hum response. We ain't very pleased with her choice this time, but the fact remains that she did carry it off well. Maybe Sonam अगर ये over the top earrings minus कर देती, she would have looked much better. Our stylometer would stop at 6 for Sonam. Next on the list is another fashionista, Kangana Ranaut. कंगना काफी वक्त से हमें अपने अपीयरेंसेस से डिसअपॉइंट कर रही थी, but this one brings a pleasant change. We love what she's wearing. It fits her petite frame aptly, and the choice of color, a total thumbs up to Kangana and her entire do, for which she credits herself.
Well, I'm wearing Valentino today, and this is Dior. तो ये मैंने मिलान में लिया था, and styling by me.
We say you nailed the look, Kangana. Our stylometer rises to a 9 for her look. Moving on, अब फैशन के stylometer पर है नेहा धूपिया. Look fab as well. Classy in blue as always. Love her hairdo. It smoothly blends with her look. Our stylometer would rate Neha's look at 8. Identical to Neha's hairdo was Pallavi Sharda's. Ranbir की next film बेशरम की ये heroine लगी quite cool in this gown. What we like is that the sheerness of the gown brings in the right amount of sexiness, still keeping the look sophisticated. Pallavi gets a 9 on our stylometer. Leaving us blank was Zareen Khan, who chose a very average gown for this event. Come on, Zareen, it was an out-and-out style event. Why would you drape yourself in something so bizarre? Although the choice of color was good, the loosely fit gown does no good for your body. We've seen that hairdo umpteen number of times, and those earrings just don't compensate for the look. We give Zareen a 5 on our stylometer. But the disappointment list doesn't end here. We have Rani Mukherjee, Shruti Hassan, Aditi Rao Hydari and Shazan Padamsi also leaving us quite amused with their choice of gowns, especially Rani. Seems like आप disco era से उठ के सीधे इस event पर आ गई हैं. Shruti Hassan still managed to keep it alive with her hairdo and makeup. Others, well, the stylometer refuses to go beyond 5 for all of you. Well, these were the women. Now let's quickly take an overview on how the men at this event upped the style quotient. Hrithik Roshan impressed us with his elegant style sense. Love what he wore and his hairdo. Hrithik simply rocked. But on the other hand, we were taken aback by Randeep Hooda's look. Somehow it wasn't happening, Randeep. You could do much better. Another man who simply rocked was, like always, Arjun Rampal. His white dhoti pants and his band gala. We love the fusion, Arjun, and so does your wife Meher, we guess.
Man of the Year award.
तो ये थी बीट नाइट पर रेड कार्पेट कवरेज की फैशन अपडेट, जहां कुछ सेलेब्स ने किया हमें इम्प्रेस और कुछ ने किया हमें टोटली डिसअपॉइंट. फॉर हार्दिक तन्ना, Zoom, Mumbai.